In this video, we're diving into an urgent and concerning topic: the top 10 most hurricane-vulnerable cities as we look ahead to 2025. From the vibrant streets of Miami to the historic charm of New Orleans, these coastal cities face the escalating threat of hurricanes fueled by climate change and rising sea levels. Join us as we explore the unique challenges each of these cities confronts, highlighting the factors that place them on the brink of severe storms. Stay tuned as we map out the vulnerabilities and the potential impacts on communities that call these cities home. 1. Miami, Florida. Miami stands out as a city with a high probability of facing hurricane impacts each year. With a staggering 16% annual chance, Miami's residents are no strangers to the wrath of these storms. The densely populated urban area means that any hurricane can result in significant human and economic losses. Additionally, the rising sea levels exacerbate the risk of storm surges and flooding, creating a ticking time bomb for this vibrant city. In a city where the beach is a part of life, the rising waters are an ever-looming threat. 2. New Orleans, Louisiana. New Orleans is a city where the land itself tells a story of vulnerability. Much of it lies below sea level, a fact that contributed to the catastrophic flooding during Hurricane Katrina in 2005. The city's history with hurricanes is a somber reminder of the damage these storms can inflict. Additionally, large socially vulnerable populations are at high risk, making hurricane preparedness a critical aspect of city planning. The levees, although fortified, are constantly challenged by nature's fury. 3. Houston, Texas. Houston, a sprawling metropolis, faces unique challenges with hurricanes. Rapid urban development has increased flood risks, turning what was once absorbent land into paved surfaces. As a major economic hub, the impact of hurricanes extends beyond physical damage, disrupting industries and infrastructure. Vulnerable populations within the city are particularly at risk, necessitating community-focused hurricane preparedness initiatives. The city, known for oil and energy, finds itself battling the very elements it thrives on. 4. Tampa, Florida. Tampa's geographical location makes it particularly susceptible to significant storm surges during hurricanes. The city has witnessed severe hurricanes with increasing intensity over the years. Large socially vulnerable populations add to the complexity of hurricane response efforts. For Tampa, it's not just about weathering the storm but preparing for the aftermath. The local communities often find themselves rallying together in the face of impending disaster. 5. Mobile, Alabama. Mobile's proximity to the Gulf of Mexico places it directly in the path of hurricanes. The city's older infrastructure poses challenges in withstanding severe storms. Socially vulnerable populations face heightened risks during hurricanes, underscoring the need for robust emergency response plans. As the winds of change sweep through Mobile, the city's resilience is continually tested. The blend of historic charm and modern challenges creates a unique dynamic in facing nature's wrath. 6. Charleston, South Carolina. Charleston, with its historic charm, is a city where history meets vulnerability. Historic buildings add cultural value but are susceptible to storm damage. Low-lying areas in the city are particularly flood-prone during hurricanes, posing significant risks to life and property. The local economy, heavily reliant on tourism, can be severely impacted by hurricanes. Here, the past and present collide, forcing the city to navigate the delicate balance of preservation and protection. 7. Norfolk, Virginia. Norfolk, home to a major naval base, faces unique challenges due to its critical military infrastructure. The city experiences one of the highest rates of sea level rise on the East Coast, increasing flood risks. Regular flooding, exacerbated by hurricanes, poses significant challenges for residents and the military alike. The city's strategic importance means that hurricane preparedness is not just a local concern but a national priority. The rising tides threaten both civilian life and national security. 8. Wilmington, North Carolina. Wilmington's coastal location puts it at direct exposure to Atlantic hurricanes. The city's rapid population growth increases the number of people at risk during these storms. Older infrastructure may not be equipped to handle severe weather, making modernization efforts crucial. For Wilmington, the challenge lies in balancing growth with safety, ensuring that new developments are resilient against future storms. The city's charm and beauty are continually juxtaposed with the looming threat from the ocean. 9. Savannah, Georgia. Savannah's historic districts are at risk of damage from hurricanes, posing a threat to its cultural heritage. Severe weather can disrupt port activities, impacting the local and regional economy. Low-lying areas in the city are prone to flooding, making hurricane preparedness a crucial aspect of urban planning. The city's rich history and vibrant culture face challenges from the forces of nature, requiring a proactive approach to protection. As the storms brew, Savannah stands as a testament to resilience and adaptability. 10. Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. Cape Hatteras, a barrier island, is extremely vulnerable to hurricanes due to its location. Coastal erosion during storms is a significant concern, threatening both land and infrastructure. Limited evacuation routes add to the risk, complicating emergency response efforts. For Cape Hatteras, the battle against nature is ongoing, with each storm reshaping the landscape. The island's beauty and isolation are both a blessing and a challenge, demanding vigilant preparedness.